Hi everybody, Kylie from KB for Travel and Cruise. I just wanted to jump in here and tell you a bit about what my page is going to be about. I am a travel agent, obviously. I've been a travel agent for about 5 years. Travel is not the best industry to be in at the moment. So I'm diversifying and looking at other options of things to do with my time. Being in Melbourne, we're currently in lockdown, so I've had a lot of time to research, and I've been researching Instagram, I've been researching Facebook, I've been researching YouTube, and everyone says that you have to do videos. Here I am doing a video. Obviously not that comfortable behind the camera, don't really like doing videos, haven't really done videos for a long time, but I really do love sharing my photos. I love sharing my hints and tips. I love sharing my own travel with you guys, and that's what our channel is going to be about, sharing our holidays, sharing our destinations that we visit, and I just want to show you, I just love taking photos, and I love sharing my experiences. I just like trying to make it pretty and all that kind of stuff and presenting it in the best way. So I will be on here sharing more of our family life, more of the places we go. Currently, initially we'll be starting off traveling more in Australia because we won't be able to go overseas, unfortunately, with the current situation around the coronavirus. So we will be getting an RV and we'll be heading up the East Coast, probably Sydney, New South Wales, Victorian coast, Queensland. In the future, we'll be heading over to Tasmania. We'll be heading up to Ayers Rock, through the middle. We want to go to South Australia. I'd love to go to Cooper Pedy for some reason. Staying in those underground hotels really interests me. So yeah, there's so many places that we're going to go and visit. And we will be bringing all our holiday information to you guys. I'm going to jump on and share hints and tips occasionally for travel with families, where my favourite destinations are, where we've been in the past and things like that. So if you want to know more about travel, particularly travel with families, this is the place to be. I would love you to subscribe. I know that's what you meant to say. I would love you to like, and I would love you to follow along with our journey. Please let me know if you have any travel hints and tips yourself. I would love to implement, share. I would love to do any of that, but just follow along as well. So I'm so happy that you've discovered me. I'm so happy that I've discovered how to do this, and I will see you all soon.